Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best travel adapter is probably one of the most essential gadgets for any globetrotter. Imagine arriving in a new country, eager to document your adventures, only to find your phone or camera battery dead because your charger doesn't fit the local outlets. This is where a reliable travel adapter steps in, ensuring you stay connected and powered up, no matter where your journey takes you. Number 5. TESSAN EU Travel Adapter with USB ports. This adapter works in most European countries. It's perfect for places like France, Germany, and Spain. However, it's not compatible with the UK, Ireland, or Scotland. This adapter converts one European Type-C socket into an American outlet and two USB ports. You can charge up to 3 devices at once. It's great for travelers, business people, and students. The 2 USB ports provide fast charging, up to 2.4A per port. It's ideal for charging your phone, tablet, or other devices. This makes it perfect for your European trip. It's lightweight and portable, so it easily fits in your pocket or bag. It's designed without surge protection or cords, making it a convenient travel essential. This Type-C adapter works with 100V to 250V devices. If your device, like a hair dryer, doesn't support dual voltage, you'll need a voltage converter. What we like. This adapter's 3-in-1 design lets you charge multiple devices simultaneously, making it super convenient. Its compact size and lightweight design save space in your luggage. If you're a traveler who values simplicity and efficiency, especially for those short trips, this is a great choice. What people say. With a Type-C outlet and 2 USB ports, I can charge multiple devices simultaneously, from my smartphone and tablet to my camera and laptop. The compact and lightweight design of the adapter makes it perfect for travel. One feature that I particularly appreciate is the built-in surge protection. Number 4. Ceptics WPS 5B Travel Adapter Kit. This travel adapter kit is designed for the modern traveler. It features multiple USB ports and outlets, making it easy to charge all your devices, no matter where you are. With 2 USB-A ports, 2 USB-C ports, and 2 US outlets, it can charge up to 7 devices at once. The compact design and included travel pouch make it perfect for any trip. It supports fast charging for compatible devices, like your phone or tablet. Plus, built-in surge protection keeps your electronics safe from voltage spikes. The kit includes 6 international adapter attachments, covering outlets in Europe, the UK, China, Australia, and more. This ensures you can use it in various countries. This adapter is compatible with dual-voltage electronics only. It is not a voltage converter. Please note that it does not include an adapter for South Africa. What we like. This adapter offers multiple USB ports, including USB-C with power delivery, for fast charging of your devices. It also includes surge protection to safeguard your electronics. If you are looking for a travel adapter that can handle all your devices and protect them, this is the one for you. What people say. With multiple ports and easily foldable into a simple cube, this thing was the perfect traveling companion while traveling in Scotland. We could plug in chargers to the electric outlet and use the various USB ports to charge all of our phones and iPads and other devices simultaneously. Highly recommended. Worked like a charm. I loved it and would absolutely recommend this charger adapter. Besides being compact and lightweight, other reasons I opted for this adapter were, no small pieces to snap on for conversions, hence, no possible lost pieces either, and the price was so reasonable, especially since it covered Europe, UK, Australia, and just about anywhere else I might eventually trek to, smiley face. It's actually pretty ingenious how the slides and pop-open features use different sides of the cube for each plug type, and still remains a flat-sided cube when all is collapsed. Number 3. TESSAN EU Travel Plug Adapter with USB. This adapter is designed for travelers going to Europe. It allows you to use your US devices in most European countries. It's a must-have for your next trip. The adapter works in many countries, including France, Germany, and Spain. However, some countries may require a different adapter type, so please check before you go. This adapter is a great choice for your travel. It converts one European outlet into 2 American outlets and 2 USB ports. You can charge up to 4 devices simultaneously. This is perfect for charging multiple devices at once. The USB ports provide fast charging, up to 2.4A per port. It's ideal for charging your phone, tablet, or other devices. It will keep your devices charged on the go. It's lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry. It fits easily in your pocket or bag, saving space. This adapter is cruise ship approved. This adapter works with devices that support 100V to 250V. If your device doesn't support dual voltage, you'll need a voltage converter. Make sure your devices are compatible before use. What we like. This adapter provides a 4-in-1 design, allowing you to charge multiple devices at once. Its compact size makes it easy to carry around. If you are looking for a travel adapter that can charge multiple devices at once, this is the one for you. What people say. Works perfectly, absolutely needed and essential for European travels. Lightweight, cheap, and durable. The compactness of the design impressed me the most. It's travel-friendly and doesn't take up much space in your luggage. Despite its size, it's sturdy, which gave me peace of mind, knowing it wouldn't easily break from the wear and tear of travel. Functionality-wise, it worked like a charm. The adapter accepted my US devices without any issues, and I experienced no problems with loose connections, which I've faced with other travel adapters. It supported everything from my laptop to my smartphone charger, all while maintaining a secure connection and without any overheating issues, which is always a concern when using adapters. Number 2. VINTAR EU Travel Plug Adapter with USB. This adapter transforms a European Type-C socket into 2 American outlets and 2 USB charging ports. It allows you to charge 4 devices at once, perfect for your phone, laptop, or camera. It works in most European countries, including Italy, France, and Spain. Please note that it is not compatible with the UK, Ireland, or Scotland. Check the description for a full list of compatible countries. This adapter is ultralight and compact, making it a great travel companion. Its small size makes it easy to pack and use during your European trips. An LED indicator lets you know when it's powered on. It is CE and FCC certified, ensuring quality and safety. The adapter comes with a 12-month warranty and friendly customer service. Contact us if you have any issues. This is not a voltage converter. It is only compatible with devices that support 100V to 250V. If your device, like a hairdryer, does not support dual voltage, you'll need a separate converter. What we like. This adapter offers a 4-in-1 design, allowing you to charge multiple devices simultaneously. The dual USB ports provide fast charging. If you are looking for a travel adapter that can charge multiple devices at once, this is the one for you. What people say. It is not only an adapter but charges several phones and mini electrical appliances at once. 2 phones can be charging. There are also 2 spots for USB cords to be plugged in and charging. These adapters are perfect for using my US phone chargers and laptop chargers when in Ireland and the UK. Number 1. Ceptics Up 10KU World Travel Adapter with USB-C. This is the Ceptics Up 10KU, your all-in-one travel adapter. It's designed to keep you connected wherever your journey takes you. It's the perfect solution for global travel. With 1 universal input, a USB-C PD port, and 2 standard USB ports, it can charge multiple devices at once. It automatically adjusts to the maximum charging current of your devices, ensuring fast and efficient charging. This adapter supports Type A, C, G, and I plugs, making it compatible with outlets in numerous countries. Whether you're in Europe, Asia, or the Americas, it has you covered. It's truly a universal adapter. Safety is a top priority. It's built with an 8A fuse, surge protection, and child-proof shutters. It is FCC, CE, and RoHS certified, protecting both you and your devices. This adapter is the perfect travel companion for your cell phones, tablets, and laptops. It's a reliable and safe way to keep all your devices powered up around the world. Get yours today. What we like. This adapter is equipped with multiple USB ports, including a USB-C PD port for fast charging. It is universally compatible with various plug types. If you are looking for a travel adapter that can handle all your devices and protect them, this is the one for you. What people say. This adapter was compatible to convert my US plugs. As you can see from the photo, Germany, I was able to plug in my cord from my Apple laptop and it held up to the weight. The adapter also features USB ports which were handy to simultaneously charge my cell phone and other items. I had no issues with this adapter, worked all over Switzerland in many hotels, hostels, airports, and cafes. Still working after 3 years. Highly recommend. Excellent purchase. All new construction uses the 3-prong in Brazil, but many places, including Galeão Airport in Rio de Janeiro, still have the 2-prong plugs. The USB ports we did find were all broken. It's good to keep both adapters on you so you're prepared for whatever situation arises. Love that they have the USB included, so handy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.